Hi, this is Yao from Team Waikoa. For this technical presentation for our project User Patient Referral for Medical Marijuana, I will make this presentation with my teammate Oksana. Please find the video of this presentation from the YouTube link. First, I want to review the context of this project. In 2018, voters in Utah approved a medical marijuana program. Utah law requires qualified medical providers to submit referrals for medical marijuana electronically to a central database at the Utah Department of Health. Our task is to create a smart on-file app for qualified doctors to submit these referrals from their existing software. Our main task for this cycle was finalizing the development stack and prototyping our referral app. In this second part, I will go through the development stack. We decided to use JavaScript, the Node.js, to build our project with React framework, and we use PostgreSQL to store the data. With Jenkins and Docker file, our project could be automatically deployed as required by the instructor. In JavaScript code, we use Fire.js as client, which is from the official website implement standards to request source. The code in our demo is just import makefire from Fire.js. This is the high-level architecture of our project. We use React Node.js to build user interface and use Docker containers to make it could run in any system environment. Then we get Fire resource data from the Fire sandbox, including patient data, provider data, and conditions. Finally, we will save generated referrals into Fire server besides save in PostgreSQL for local database.
Hi, my name is Oksana Kravtsova. I will continue our presentation. Now I'm going to tell you about Smart on Fire. This application will be built as a Smart on Fire application to integrate with existing medical software. Fire provides resources for patients, such as patient identifier, patient active name, telecom, gender, birthday, address, etc. Resources for providers, such as practitioner identifier, practitioner active, practitioner name and telecom, and resources for conditions, such as condition identifier, condition name, subject, and stage. Now I'm going to show you our application progress. It is shown in the Gantt chart that illustrates our project scheduler and shows the dependency relationship between activities and current scheduler for 8 weeks. Also, you can see here roles and responsibilities for team members. On the slide, you see our application prototype. When a user enters the first and last name of patient, he gets information about this patient, such as patient ID, patient first and last name, gender, and birthday. Also, a user can search condition information, such as condition ID, name, category, clinical status, and verification status. Now, I'd like to say about our weekly goals. So we have planned milestones that are finalized stage stack, setup sandbox, Jenkins, Dockers, and the workflow. And our progress, that is stage stack finalized and prototypes application working in Docker. On this slide, I would like to show you a mockup view for our application. If you see on the top of the screen, you will see a name of the patient. On the left side, you can see all patient conditions. And on the right side, you can see approved conditions. To provide a referral for medical marijuana, you need to provide an applicable condition on the bottom of the page and click the Submit button. Then you will have a referral for medical marijuana. Finally, I would like to show you our next steps for the next deliverable. That are implement our authorization, finalize referral workflow, and persist referrals into a database. At the end of the presentation, you can see references used in our presentation here. And thank you for your attention.